Okay, this last short video is for experiment 1 of EGR-226 Procedure 7. Before, we had a flasher, LED flasher, and that was driven by a signal generator, and the signal generator was providing the signal to take and turn the LED on and off. It was a pulse waveform that went from 0 to plus 5 volts and then back to 0. What we have here is a digital signal driving the LED on and off. Rather ancient chip, a 7400 IC, made very popular by Texas Instruments years and years ago. And again, you don't find these integrated circuits anymore. You have thousands of these things inside something like a smartphone or an iPad or any type of digital device today, computers and so forth, but of course they're on integrated circuits. So it turns out that what's happening here is I'm supplying power again from our friend the Arduino over here, and that's plus or minus 5 volts. I'm sending a signal like the shown in figure 10, the same signal generator, but it's not supplying the power anymore. All it is doing is exercising, so to speak, the logic gate, which in figure 10 is called U1A. That's a 2-input NAND gate. I asked you to try to find the truth table for that. I would tell you that the 2 inputs could either be high or low, so there's 4 possibilities. There's only one time that the the gate is activated, and hopefully you'll be able to find that. Do a search with the Google or whatever. And then the output of the LED, as you can see, is driven directly off of the logic gate. The logic gate can only supply about 20 milliamps of current maximum, so there's no need to put a resistor in there to limit the current through the LED. Of course, if I go over to my signal generator here and change the frequency, you can see that I can make it flash faster or slower, and the same thing has happened before, or go back the opposite way, and actually even go down to right now it's on and off for a second each time it goes through its cycle. And again, now we would have or talk about a digital signal as opposed to an analog signal. The digital signal coming out of the integrated circuit, the device right here in the video, and turning the LED on and off. That's it for this little one.